Hello, friends! For more fun and learning videos, subscribe!
Itsy Bitsy spider climbed up the water spout. Taffy saw it climbing and he gave a happy shout. Jojo pointed gently, "Look, it's way up high!" The tiny little spider was reaching for the sky. Up, up, up goes the spider, climbing step by step. Up, up, up goes the spider, never giving up yet. When the rain comes falling down, splashing all around, the itsy bitsy spider slides back to the ground. Down came the raindrops, drip, drop, drip, drop. Taffy held his little hands, watching raindrops hop. Jojo smiled brightly as puddles filled the way. The tiny little spider was washed away that day. Up, up, up goes the spider, climbing once again. Up, up, up goes the spider, after all the rain. When the sun shines bright and warm, drying up the ground, the itsy bitsy spider starts climbing all around. Taffy claps his little hands, Jojo laughs with cheer. "Go, little spider, you can do it!" they shout loud and clear. Round and round the sunshine, warm upon the wall, the tiny brave little spider tries again so small. Up, up, up goes the spider, higher than before. Up, up, up goes the spider, climbing more and more. No more rain can stop him, no more falling down. The itsy bitsy spider wears a happy crown. La la la, la la la, up the water spout. La la la, la la la, climbing all about.
Thanks for watching Kissin' Kids! See you next time!
Like and subscribe.